Some of the problems I hear all the time from homeowners are wet basements, drainage problems around their yard that's causing erosion, or water settling next to their foundation that's creating some foundation problems. All of those could be solved with proper drainage around your home. Now, if you have gutters, that's a good thing. You want to make sure they're in really good shape and they don't leak and they're moving the water where it's supposed to go. It should come down the downspout and have something that moves that water away from the house. Here's a very simple way from this company Flex Drain that you have this little fitting. Then you can stretch this out, bend it in any direction you want, and wouldn't that be perfect to have that buried right under your flower bed? Then you can have another attachment onto that like this that will allow you to move that water to a place that won't damage your house. Now, if you have a prize tree or any prize shrubs, you can bend this any way you want so that you can minimize the amount of digging that you have to do. Plus, Flex Drain has all of the different fittings that you might find that you can tie several different downspout drains into one. Now, this isn't the most glamorous home improvement project that you might do, but it's one that'll save you a lot of money.